Something that can make you do wrong, make you do wrong.
The day is upon us. The Legmaker intake is here. Ah, it's so fancy. Made to order. That lightweight, and I'm gonna drop my ITs real quick. I'm about to knock this out with the what you have on the beat behind the camera.
You guys see it. You see it. You also see it.
Oh shit! Do it big.
Do it big.
You know what the button is? So to get this, you're gonna need to get an 8mm socket here and knock this out. Before you do that, you need to take off these clips here. Highly recommend on this one, be careful because it will break easily. As you can see, mine snapped. So after I get this piece off, without breaking it hopefully, this piece, if you don't be careful, it will snap. As you can see right here, it snapped. I have a piece coming in tomorrow from Dodge. If you snap it, just make sure you go call Dodge. It's safe and you can still drive with it in. But yeah, get that out. And then you're gonna take the rest of all this stuff out here. And then obviously your map sensor's here, so be careful when you take this out. Don't sit it down. And if you can, clean it. And you can get some stuff from like AutoZone or O'Reilly's and clean it with like electrical diode cleaner. On that note, we're gonna pause this right now and get back to this when it's off. Who is Larry Moore? Once again, hey, right now we have the Wicked 707. I just got done installing the PCM that was provided by Kurt at DustinHoffTuning.com. You see what I did there? it's Instagram, but it's Kurt at DustinHoffTuning. It's a joke. How I laugh. So we just got to install this PCM. I have an install video for those that want to remove and install their PCMs that kind of have no idea. I'm not saying anybody is not intelligent enough to do it. I'm just saying let's guarantee you guys success and knock this out so you guys can get the power you look for or you seek. I don't think that ever ends actually, no matter the horsepower or whatnot. But yeah, so we're about to get our first drive in with this, and this should be pretty interesting. Now, be sure to check out the YouTube page, like I said, and be sure to catch the install videos. You'll see a couple things like strut braces and things of that sort. And the Legmaker definitely is a great product you can hear right now. So that's that. We'll get back to you with some once we get somewhere safe and sound. All right, so once you get the freaking the map sensor cord out and get this out of the car, it's a lot easier for you to work around this. So you just hold it up, you can use the Allen wrench. I can't even tell you what size it is, but if you have one of these, if you don't, I would definitely recommend getting one of them because they last for a long time, and you use them for almost any car job you do. But you're just gonna take them, and like I said, you're gonna take it easy with the map sensor, because the map sensor is one of the key ingredients to this intake system. If you don't know about the intake system, you gotta realize that it will bottleneck at the throttle body. Keyword, upgrade your throttle body if you upgrade your intake. All right, we're almost done.
Gap 101.
And bam, there it is. That's map sensor. Now, we're gonna take a quick break.